Hello friends and welcome to Amazon. Today we are going to review the new edition of the iQoo Neo series, the mid-range performance powerhouse, the all-new iQoo Neo 7 Pro 5G. So let's dig right in and know why this phone is the perfect buy for all flagship performance and gaming enthusiasts. The standout feature of the iQoo Neo 7 Pro is its sleek and stunning design. Not only is it visually appealing, it offers a premium in-hand feel. The Neo 7 Pro comes in two attractive color variants and boasts of a unique back cover design. The fiery Fearless Flame variant boasts an elegant leather back, and the Dark Storm comes with an AG glass back, which gives it a premium and classy look. Next in line, we have the powerful processor. The iQoo Neo 7 Pro has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, known for its power efficiency, industry-leading 5G technology, and an impressive AnTuTu score. It ensures unmatched performance and empowers you with a smooth and seamless experience in any scenarios like multitasking, heavy app usage, and even graphic-heavy games. You get faster app response, better network connection, and stable game frame rate. Take your gaming experience to the next level with our in-house independent gaming chip, which gives you up to 120 FPS boost with the help of Game Frame Interpolation. So now you can enjoy a superior gaming experience than your friends and get higher frame rate, sharper visuals, and lower power consumption. This phone is a beast when it comes to gaming. Coming to its camera, the iQoo Neo 7 has a triple camera setup with a flagship 50 megapixel GN5 OIS main camera. It captures amazing high quality images with ultra sharp detail and brilliant clarity even in low light condition. Whether it's ultra wide shots, portrait shots, or night photography, this camera can handle it all with ease. And of course, for your selfies and video chats, you have the 16 megapixel front camera. The iQoo Neo 7 Pro 5G gets full marks in the charging department as well, as you get a 120 watt FlashCharge, which gives you 50% charging in just 8 minutes. It's amazing, isn't it? The phone supports smart charging that optimizes charging speed based on your phone usage. It also extends the battery health with its long-lasting 5000 mAh battery. You can also enjoy non-stop gaming and multitasking on the iQoo Neo 7 Pro 5G. Moving on, we have the display. The iQoo Neo 7 Pro 5G has a 6.78 inches 10-bit AMOLED display with 1300 nits peak brightness. Experience immersive content viewing, smooth gaming, and endless scrolling with this display setup. The visuals are very clear even under sunlight. It has a 120Hz refresh rate and fast touch response, which means your gaming sessions are going to be simply awesome. The iQoo Neo 7 Pro comes in two variants with 8GB and 12GB RAM. With extended RAM 3.0, you can increase your RAM capabilities by up to 8GB, making it one of the fastest smartphones in this segment. With additional RAM power, you can multitask through multiple apps at the same time. iQoo Neo 7 Pro 5G runs on Funtouch OS 12, which is based on the latest Android 13. Not only that, iQoo has also promised buyers 2 years of Android and security updates, making this device future-proof. To sum it up, iQoo Neo 7 Pro is a great buy for those looking for a phone with flagship-level performance and amazing design. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.